beautiful endemic birds of Indonesia that are endangered worldwide. As a tropical nation, Indonesia is exceptionally rich in natural resources, including plants, animals, and landscapes. Numerous indigenous species of animals and plants can only be found in Indonesia's forested regions. Sharing the lovely bird species that live in the jungles of Indonesia is one of the best things. Simply to view and study the magnificence of these indigenous Indonesian birds, many visitors and researchers from around the nation travel to Indonesia. But regrettably, poaching puts these birds' continued survival in danger. Through the implementation of stringent rules and restrictions against poachers, the government has worked to ensure the preservation of these birds. Bali starling. A warbler known as the Bali starling, Leucopsa rothschildi, is exclusive to Bali province's western area. The Bali starling has white, medium-sized fur that may reach a length of 25 centimeters and weighs 108 grams. This bird's beak is yellowish, and its eyelids are dark blue. In 1991, the Bali starling was chosen as the province of Bali's animal. Peacock. A kind of bird known as a peacock lives almost entirely on the ground and is unable to fly. Green peacocks, Pavo muticus, which are called peacocks in Indonesia, are a common sight at Bali National Park. Peacock males and females have somewhat distinct morphologies. The male has a longer, more attractive tail. Javanese wren. A native to the island of Java, the Javanese sparrow, Pateoris ivora, is a warbler bird. A herbivorous bird that consumes grains, particularly rice seeds, is the Javanese sparrow. The adult Java sparrow maleo. Bird of paradise. Unquestionably beautiful, the bird of paradise, Paradisea sp, is a native of Papua. Due to its stunning beauty that may astound the sight, even foreigners refer to it as a bird of paradise. There are multiple distinct species of bird of paradise in Papua, each with its own unique physical traits. Typically, a blend of brown, yellow, white, black, green, purple, blue, red, and orange make up the eye-catching coat color. Hornbill. The Buceratidae family of birds, which includes hornbills, is widely distributed in Indonesia's Java, Sulawesi, Kalimantan, and Papua provinces. Hornbills are frequently referred to by different names in the area, including hornbill, jelong, and kankarang. In addition to fruit, bats, mice, and other small animals, hornbills are omnivorous birds. The hornbill's huge, vividly colored beak is what gives it its aesthetic appeal. Maleo. Black and white birds predominate in the bird species known as maleo, Macrocephalon maleo. A bright golden halo surrounds the maleo's eyes. The maleo's head, which features black horns or crests, is what makes it special. Maleo will dig a hole in the earth to lay the eggs. It does not incubate the eggs. The young maleo can fly as soon as it hatches since it has feathers.